Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to fix the issue if a USB device is not recognized on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. We'll go through some very easy steps together, and one of them is sure to solve the problem. Make sure to follow along with each step, and let's get started. Step 1. Adjust power settings. Click on the search icon and type Control to access Control Panel. Navigate to Power Options and click on Change when the computer sleeps. Choose Change Advanced Power Settings and locate the USB settings. Disable USB settings if enabled. Then click Apply, then OK. Step 2. Update USB drivers. Right-click on the Start icon and open Device Manager. Under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, double-click to expand. Right-click on each USB host controller and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers and update if necessary. Step 3. Install WPDMT. Click on the search icon and type File Explorer to open it. Navigate to C:\Windows\INF and search for WPDMT. Locate the INF file, right-click and select Install. Then, restart your computer. Step 4. Change drive letter. Type Disk Management in the search bar and open it. Locate the connected USB device, right-click, and choose Change Drive Letter. Assign a new drive letter and click Apply, then OK. After that, restart your computer. Let me know in the comment section if these steps worked for you. Additionally, consider updating your Windows to resolve any further issues. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.